Everyone, it's James from Epilog. Thanks for joining us today. So for today's sample club, we're going to be taking some MDF board. We're going to be laser cutting this into a multi-layer stack sign. You'll be creating a really fun design that's got multiple colors to it. So be sure to download the files in our sample club and let's get started. So here we are in the design software. We've got our final piece over here just as an example of how it's all going to look together. And then our 7 individual layers. Each one of these will be cut out of 3mm MDF board. So we'll just select our first piece, center that on the page, and print that selection only. And just send that over to the laser dashboard. Once that comes over, we'll just go ahead and change that into a vector only layer and import our settings. And we'll choose the 3mm wood cutting. Now, since we're going to have double stick tape on the back of most of these layers, I'm just going to go ahead and slow this down to 20%. We're doing this on an 80-watt Fusion Edge 24. So I've got 20% speed, 100% power, and 10% frequency. And I can just go ahead and name that layer so we know what each layer is called, and print. And then before I send over the other layers, I'll just come into my settings and change this to previous setting. So as I send over each layer, it's going to keep these same settings so we can quickly send them over to the laser. Next, we'll apply some double stick tape to the back of all the boards except the bottom layer. So now you can see one of my favorite features is I've got all the different layers all lined up here. So if I wanted to rerun the job, that'd be very easy to do. So I'll send over the first layer and hit go. Now that we've cut out of all of our layers, we're ready for spray paint. So we're actually going to use this MTN 94. It's my favorite for especially on MDF because it gives a really nice flat color to it, but in one single pass works really well. So we picked out colors based on the colors that we actually colored our layers here. So we'll go ahead and do that now. So now we have a really beautiful multi-dimensional sign. Now this came out so nicely. You've got all the dimension from the different layers, and the colors just work really well together. Really happy with this design. I hope you have fun putting it together as well from the files in our sample club. Now if you'd like to learn more about how to create your own multi-dimensional sign, go up to our YouTube channel and we've got a full tutorial on how we created this design for a flat piece of artwork. Now, I hope you found this helpful, and please join us again. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can find out when the latest videos come out. Thanks, and have a great day.